So this is a very quick guide on how to get Trespasser, the Jurassic Park game from 1998, working on a modern Windows system. What you want to do, you want to download the archive with the ISO image of the game. Here it is. And you want to download the Trespasser 2020 modding starter kit. It's an easier way to get the patch running that I found, at least. So let's do this. Open up the user patch, unarchive this folder, just specifically, so copy over TresCE onto your desktop. You can use the downloads folder or whatever desktop is just simpler. Now while that's happening, mount the ISO image. On the Windows, this should be quick and easy. Let's wait for this to finish. There you go, there's the mounted ISO. There's the TresCE folder. What you want to do now is open this file, tp_mod.ini. We want to set Trespasser, the retail game, as the mod to play, basically, instead of playing any of the bundled mods. The way you do this is you delete the semicolon at the start of the second to last line, and you add a semicolon at the start of the last line. Specifically, you want to see this, ActiveFM equals to Trespasser. The other mods need to be commented out with this semicolon. Make sure to save this ini. Then drill down into the mods folder, into Trespasser, and now you want to copy the contents of the image, disk image of the game, into this folder. Just select all and drag it over, copy it over, it doesn't matter. Once that's done, you can eject the image of the game, go back to the root of the TresCE folder, and launch TresCE.executable.
My name is John Parker.
So we can skip the intro. You can... it's probably gonna run, but if the game's probably gonna run fine. But if you want to make sure, because it can crash on the level load, you can do the following. Hold 4 buttons on your keyboard. Control-Shift-Q-W, and now release W, while holding the other 3 buttons. This is a level selection screen. You can choose one of the test scenes, which are not featured in the game, so it doesn't spoil it too much. This is why you want to do it. Well, you might want to do it is to check if the game's loading fine and that you can use save games, which probably shouldn't be an issue, but just in case. There we go. We load it in. Hit escape. Try saving the game. Quitting to menu and loading the same game. Should be fine, but just in case. Okay, there we go. We're here. If you want to change the resolution, obviously you can go into options, video. There's also, but instead of clicking through this thing, here you can click on select video drivers and the video driver. And there's a bit of a nicer menu here, drop down menu. You don't really need to change anything here, should be fine. And we're back with, decent resolution. And yeah, we're not gonna spoil what we have there. Controls are you're gonna have fun with controls. Controlling this game. Anyway, hope you have fun. Bye-bye.